Hey, what's up guys? It's me, One Bricks. Today's video I will show you how to download Attack Shark K85 software on your PC. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you're always updated. And let's get started. Open your browser and search for Attack Shark software and press enter. As you can see, this is the official website of Attack Shark. And then click it. So we are now the official website of Attack Shark. And let's find our keyboard software. Our keyboard is Attack Shark K85. Here. And click. So we have two software and one firmware and one manuals and web drivers. I recommend to download first the firmware here. After that, you can download the software. So we should download the latest version of software. So let's click and download. After downloading, let's install this Attack Shark K85 software. Double click it or right click and click the open and wait. You will see that it notifies me that the Attack Shark driver is running the Attack Shark K85 software. There is no problem here. You can just click OK and let's wait for the installation to finish. You will see that it's off automatically after installation. This is what the Attack Shark K85 keyboard software looks like. In this software, you will see the option main FnSettings, macro live, share, my account, and about. Inside the about section, you will see the update and app version that you can update to the latest version and the firmware version as well. In the language box, you can choose the languages like and the start box powered on or off in the close. There is minimize and exit. And the last appearance, you can put your picture and change the color of the background so like of its appearance. And this is the account and share. In the share section, you will see the share light that you can download, or you can also upload your work by editing the light. Later in the light section, you will see it. Also in the share settings, you can download these different settings for you or gaming like Valorant. And share macros, you can download it also. In the light section, you can see the light mode. You can choose every mode you want. And you have light edit and my work. Macro, there's nothing here. And settings. There's these settings that have 4 boxes that inside contains combination, macros, media, and mouse. And for the main, is the really important thing, the main. We have layer here, and you can see if you select number 1 and make it forbidden, you can't press it or it will block the number 1 button. You can press on the keyboard. Once you are default settings, just click reset. Oh, we have a maximum here, so start calibration. Please gently press each button to the bottom in sequence. Do not miss it and you can press the bottom later. We have stroke setting. In the stroke setting, we have current mode, comfort. For the comfort mode, this is for the normal typing guy or for the office purposes. And we have the simulation demonstration. I will show you the video of how it's work later. So for the sensitive, your keyboard will be sensitive, which can speed up the response to pressing and you will be fast in typing. In the game mode settings, the response will be faster because this is where the full quick trigger option can be opened, which they call rapid trigger. For gaming purposes, you can use it to play FPS or other competitive games like Valorant, and it will be accurate your shooting while strafing. I will show you the gameplay in Valorant and the settings here in my Attack Shark to make even more responsive. In customize mode, you can change the sensitivity of the magnetic keyboard up to 2 mm to trigger the required travel. And this is the dead zone, and this is the sensitivity when I use playing Valorant. Later, I will show you the difference between having a rapid trigger and not a rapid trigger. I will show you the simulation of demonstration. So let's start and cleaning ops. You should open the simulation demonstration before you test it. You can see using customize up to 4 mm press to up 1.8 mm. As you can see is slightly touch, it become sensitivity. So after you do the simulation demonstration, you should turn off this simulation demonstration because it's recommend to turn off before you playing or alt tab because it won't work. You can't type anything if it's turned on. So you should turn off this simulation demonstration. These customized settings I used to play Valorant. So I will show you now in the range how to strafe perfectly and how to use rapid trigger while strafing. It's easy, and what is different between rapid trigger and without rapid trigger. Alright guys, I hope this video helped you. Thank you very much for the support, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you're always up to date with my videos. Thank you very much, bro. See you to my next video. Bye bye, bro.
We're talking about nothing. Then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say,